It was an historic day in Delaware as Hunter Biden became the first child of a sitting U.S. president to stand trial.
And he faces another legal battle come September. Rebecca Castor has details.
After the collapse of a plea deal last year, Hunter Biden's federal gun case began Monday with jury selection. The first of two legal battles for Hunter Biden is now underway in Delaware, and the first family is showing their support. Attorneys working through a pool of 250 potential jurors Monday to find 12 who will decide if Hunter is guilty of illegally possessing a firearm while also being addicted to drugs, which is against federal law. Hunter pleaded not guilty but has been open about his struggles with addiction.
It's a case that's pretty overwhelming, that's only become more overwhelming with time as Hunter has made a lot of statements about the condition he was in at that time.
In the courtroom, prospective jurors were questioned about their feelings on gun rights, addiction, and the Biden family, as First Lady Jill Biden sat in the front row. President Biden not in the courtroom, but sharing in a statement, quote, "As a dad, I have boundless love for my son, confidence in him, and respect for his strength."
Joe Biden has made a real conspicuous display of being alongside his son the last 2 weeks.
The president's son also faces a September trial in California on felony tax charges. Despite their high-profile nature, some Democrats say they don't expect Hunter's legal issues to have an impact on November's election.
He's not the president of the United States, and he's not a public figure. So Hunter Biden should be held accountable for whatever he's done.
If convicted on the gun charges, Hunter Biden faces a maximum of 25 years in prison. In Wilmington, Delaware, Rebecca Castor, Fox 32 Chicago.